What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Key, and I'm back with another reaction. So before I get into this video, y'all, please make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a post. So, Swayy and Jayy are officially added into the reaction list, so I'm gonna start reacting to them more often. As I said, y'all always welcome to drop down below and let me know what y'all want me to react to. I'll always react to it. So, this is Swayy and Jayy acting Ratchet to see how my girlfriend reacts. Hilarious, must watch. Let's get right into this reaction.
Look at this new bag, this new Birkin, baby. This is what I need. I need you to start dropping bags on me.
Crazy already.
What's up, SJ fam?
What's up, beautiful ladies?
Okay, like, yes, I'm here. Are you here? I'm ready.
I hear that.
Sound like that? You know that's not how we do the intro. Hey, you literally just said to be more hype. So I'm more hype. Like, let's go. What's up, SJ family? Y'all ready?
I'm digging that blonde hair on Shorty. That really gives. It's really giving. That blonde is really giving. I dig that. I'm fucking with it. It look nice for her skin, all that. Like,
are y'all here? Did you grab your popcorn? Did you subscribe? Cause I'm here. You're just being lame. You're so boring. You know you sound. That's not how we do it. We do one.
That's not how you talk.
What's up, SJ fam? Welcome back to our channel. I know, but you're being boring. You're being boring. Come on.
Oh.
I'm ready. Are you ready? You know what to say? Because you keep saying.
Not you being boring.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. What's up, SJ fam? Sway, what are you doing, dude? You know, come on. Why you saying, what's that SJ fam? Why you saying it? What's up, SJ fam? Welcome back to our channel with Sway and Jayy. Alright? Okay. 1, 2, 3. What's up, SJ fam? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel.
She don't like that she said, welcome back to our channel. She don't like that.
Welcome back to our channel. Like, I feel like we just gotta add a little umph. You feel me?
We gotta add a little umph in it.
So add a little umph. Okay? Add a little umph. Let's get it popping.
Yo, she looking at her like, you do not act like that.
My ear and stuff. Like, I can't even start the video off with you yelling in my ear. Okay, come on. Why do you sound like that? Come on. Dang, the third take. We usually do one take. Now
hey yo,
because you want what's that?
This hold up, yo.
Like, why?
It was her face, bro. That's hilarious. This how you know when your girl is really not like when she a little bougie and then she start acting a little ratchet. You be looking like, hold up, like what is you doing? That's her.
I sound like that. Yes.
That's her right now.
Hear how you sound because
She looking like.
Don't ever do me. Don't ever do me. Alright.
It's the don't ever do me for me.
You want to walk out this car right now? You want to do a video later? No, I want to do it now. Come on, stop playing. You don't have to be doing all that. Stop playing. Come on.
You don't gotta be doing all that extra.
Yes, Yeti. 1, 2.
She irritated.
What's up, SJ fam? Welcome back to our channel. It's Sway and Jayy. Okay. That's when you go. Okay.
Yo, Jayy irritated. She looking at her like.
You're so loud. Like this, like watch. What's up? Welcome back to our channel. It's Sway and Jayy.
She like, hold up, you is so loud. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I hate when people be real loud. Like, it be irritating me now. Like, I used to have time back in the day for loud people, but now it's just so irritating. I don't know what it is, bro.
You're hecka loud right now. For what? Why are you so irritated today?
Like, loud people be irritating me, bro. Like, real loud people.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that me, please, because I need to go.
And me personally, I'm loud when it comes to competition. Like, I'm loud in the competition, but all day, yo, I can't be loud all day. Like,
I need to go.
Annoying.
All the way up. Babe, just be more hype.
She gonna say all the way up.
I don't need to be yelling in the camera and stuff. You need energy drink?
Do you need a Red Bull?
Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button here. Everybody already know we're the latest channel. We got all the baddies up in here. We got all the baddies up in this You feel me? Whoa.
Not
And it's
whoa.
Scarf, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Honey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yo, she like you messing up the whole intro.
Like that. Comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Be the first. Sway, you cannot cuss. Okay, come on. This is a family channel. Okay.
It's a family channel. You cannot cuss like that. Yo, why she look embarrassed?
Let's turn it up. You gonna give me something to drink, girl?
Why do Jay look embarrassed?
I need what's it called? What is it called?
Yo, Sway, this hair is really giving. Like, I'm really fucking with it. It looks good with her skin, bro. Like, she really looking good right now.
A caramel frap? Sway, don't do that. What you talking about? A frappy? What you mean? Dang, this car's like the clothes. Why the car's so close? Dang, he just look like he about to hit me.
Not the jump.
I got you. Don't worry about it. I got you. I got S. I got S. Why are you talking? See that pepper spray I got? So I can protect us. Why are you talking like that?
For me.
Show them how cute you are. Yeah, come on, baby.
Yo, this is funny.
Like that. Like, Sunny Girl.
Because Jay hella irritated. Like,
Does that feel like? No. Is that what you trying to say to me? What you want from me? Do you like a yes or no? Just stop talking about it. Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? I feel myself with this one, and I'm feeling like, who is she? Who is she?
yeah.
Who is she?
With that blonde.
Who are you? That's what I'm wondering.
With that blonde.
What's your name today?
Looking amazing, respectfully.
Let me think. I need to find out who you are, because this is a whole new person I'm talking to. They call me persuasive, you feel me? Like, because I persuade them to give me all the ones to shake that money. Hey.
Okay.
That's what they call me today. I'm gonna dye my hair blue, and then they finna call me Miss Blueberry.
Miss Blueberry.
The ugliest name
That is the most ratchet name ever.
Miss Blueberry. Or maybe, no. I'm not calling you that.
Ratchet.
No, Sway, you're not cute when you do all that stuff. I don't like that.
Yo, so she don't like that.
Hey, stop! No, you're scaring me.
Why she look scared?
You're scaring me. Like,
She really do look scared too.
I don't like this. It's not cute. Babe, stop. All right, if you stop talking like that, I'll give you a kiss. Okay. No, say okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now, no more.
Yo.
Are you done talking like that now? Something. You need to get on my level. You like
Not you need to get on my level.
Okay.
Oh, she did the hand claps.
You need to get on my level, okay? Dog, you are so funny. Why are you doing this? You're hacking funny. You need to get on my level. She wants me here. Come on.
It's her with the demonstration.
Yeah. Can I get a caramel frap, please?
Oh man, McDonald's.
Let me get a medium.
Man, let me tell y'all something, man. I used to, back in the day, man, I'm saying back in the day, like I'm just so old or it's just so long ago, but back in the day, man, that's my favorite word. Y'all gonna learn that sooner or later. I use back in the day for almost everything. But I used to tear some McDonald's down, man. It's like McDonald's was the place to be, like, especially when you get a little high, you know what I'm saying? You a little under the influence, you know what I'm saying? Late night, you go hit McDonald's, get you a McChicken, you know what I'm saying? I used to tear the McChickens up, especially the frappes. Woo, used to dip the fries in the frappe. Man, good times, man. I don't be eating all that stuff no more, so. Good times, you reminisce on the good times.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you. You can finish this video tomorrow. Just because you're not feeling good today, don't mean you need to be feeling my vibe.
Right.
So
she said she outside.
I'm over here having a good day. And you want to kill my vibe. For what? You're over here yelling in my ear. What? Yelling in my ear. 407? Yeah,
she said she not with that yelling. I feel that though. I be irritated. I'm telling you.
How's your day going? Good, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me. Why is this like melted already? Yeah, tell me.
Alright, but y'all had it sitting like.
I'm gonna need you to remake
Say I'm gonna make it for you. It should have never been melted. Didn't y'all just make it?
Thank you, baby. Thank you. You already got me. Baby, that's how I know we meant to be together. Because you already knew what to tell. She already knew what to tell me, y'all. She was like, nah, my baby not gonna get on the ice cream.
Yo, she irritated, bro.
No problem at all.
No problem, no problem.
I was just letting you know. Dang, you helped me out. I just wanted to help you out. Don't look at this frap. Like, yeah, and they ice cream. I don't know.
Why it look like that?
Broken. I don't know if you guys could tell, but like, it's like trash.
It looked like more of that Oreo shake. It don't look like the frappe. Like it's usually darker than that. Like something up with that ice cream machine.
Trash.
You know that ice cream machine always broke.
Call it what I just told them that this didn't even look like it was blended. Oh, you guys can see right there. You see how it's like that? I just told them. I said
It's watery.
basically it's not blended.
It ain't.
Just gonna give this back to me. It's all melted. Like who gonna drink this?
Yeah, it's not even blended right.
You asked
It ain't supposed to be watery like that.
This what you call it, right? I don't want.
No, I don't want this shit.
What? This was $4. You better drink it.
This was $4.
Here, take it.
That's how your parents used to be. This was $4.
Oh my god. Yeah, stop lying. You know what that means? You want to give it back or not? Hey, back or not?
Okay. Okay, wait, because little booties matter too. Cause Sway definitely got little cake. Like, but little booties matter too. Don't get it twisted.
We hit another stop. Please don't. Yeah. You like my blonde on me, babe? Yes, I like it, babe. Yeah.
That blonde is giving.
Look at this new bag, this new Birkin, baby. This is what I need. I need you to start dropping bags on me. Where them blue honey's at? Where them yens at? Where them euros, baby? Where them blue faces?
Yo, she's so irritated, bro.
I need that.
Jay's so irritated.
I need that. Look at this one. I'm not buying you that. Look at this one.
Like, calm your ass down, bro.
You gonna start dropping bags on me? No, I'm not. You gonna drop bags on me, baby? You gonna drop bags on me, baby? Where my blue faces at? Where my blue faces at? Where my
Yo, the funny thing is, Sway don't even look like she the type that really likes to raise her voice, bro. That's the funny thing is, like, now that I'm sitting here and I'm really, like, analyzing them, like, Sway do not look like... And that's probably why Jay, like, why is you, like, loud, bro? Like, Sway don't even look like she likes to raise her voice, like, because she barely raising her voice right now. Like, her voice, it just seemed like it's just so soft.
I'm not about to finish this video. This is the one I need. Stop acting. Stop. Why are you hating on me? I just told you like 12 times. Stop yelling in my ear. No,
She's so irritated.
Right now. You're not. Bang! Stop. Stop yelling. Stop yelling in my ear. Stop. Gosh, man. Stop. Let me touch you. No, get off me. First off, stop. Bang!
Not the bag.
Stop. Let it happen. Dang.
Yo. Her voice is so soft, though.
Hype me up. Hype me up. Hype me up. Stop hating on me. Let my haters be my motivators, okay? Let my haters be my biggest motivators. Let them be my motivators.
Hey, yo.
I'm really about to leave. Stop doing that.
She's so irritated, bro.
Bye, babe.
Where the fuck she going? You the driver, bro.
Babe, I just wanted to see your reaction, babe. No, I just want to see your reaction.
She is not with that shit. She's irritated, bro. Yo, where they live at, Cali?
Dang, man.
The trees is giving very much Cali.
It was just crazy. I just want to see your reaction. You be annoying. I don't even be acting like that. Yeah, I know. That's why I was confused. If y'all see what she be doing that shit, fam, she be bored. Yelling all
Nah, I was bored.
For like 2 hours now. Like, girl, what you yelling for all the time?
Yeah, that would have irritated me.
Fam, as you can see, this was not her favorite prank. Like,
I don't like the yelling, bro.
That's so
It's loud
that's
for what?
The best way to push her button. She hates me being loud.
She's just too much for me. She was
I
just
feel
being
that.
so much today. If only you guys could see. Which she did. Which you saw. Y'all saw that she was just being mad annoying.
So where we going now? I'm hungry. I got something to eat.
Why are you still doing it?
But I hope y'all like this video.
Now I can't get out of character.
Comment, subscribe to me, please. As always, because if you're not subscribed, then what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Guys, hit that notification bell for me, please.
We love you guys. See you next time.
Alright, so that was the end of that reaction. Comment down below and leave your thoughts. Before I go though, please make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a post. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video.